Hey friends, let's make soft and fluffy vanilla Lasco muffins. These are perfect for breakfast or great for an after-school snack. In a bowl, we're mixing flour, sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla Lasco. Now we're going to whisk in 2 eggs, milk, and melted butter and a splash of vanilla. Don't overmix, we are keeping it light and tender. I bet $100, just kidding. I bet you guys did not know that you could use Lasco to make some muffins. Lasco is a popular food drink that we use in Jamaica, and it's a favorite childhood snack for me. Sometimes we eat the powder just as is, or we just add water to it and drink it. You can add it in some carrot juice or your porridge. But today, I wanted to make an after school snack for Bussy. So we're doing the Vanilla Lasco Muffins. So now that you have your mixture, your batter, you're going to scoop it into your prepared muffin tin. Now, I added some toppings, which I'm going to show you. I have plain old vanilla, which I'm scooping in now, and then I am going to add some coconut flakes to the rest of the batter, and then I'm going to add some blueberries on top to 4 of the muffins. So stay tuned. Now, in a preheated oven of 350 degrees, I am going to put my muffins in, and I am going to bake that for 22 minutes. Now it's time to check on our muffins. These muffins look absolutely delicious. I am going to do the testing, which is by poking it with a skewer and see if it comes out clean, and that will tell me that the muffins are done. Take a look at that. If you poke the muffins and you see a little bit of batter on there, that means, of course, they're not done. So you want to put them in the oven again for maybe another 5 minutes. But mine is done. So follow the 22-minute mark. Okay, there you have it. We have plain vanilla, some blueberries on top, and coconut. Now, take a look at how soft and fluffy these muffins are. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. What else could I do with this Vanilla Lasco? Let me know in the comments. Are you willing to try this? Please let me know, and if you do, please tag me. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.